today in my new home, we are going, I say we, like I have a mouse in my pocket, me. I'm going to make new soap samples today, which is one of my favorite things to do. And this is the new space. And I never show you how I make soap, and hence soap dough. So this is what we're gonna do today. Now I thought I did not master batch. The master of the house master batched for me because he's a lovely human. I still have to add these two, but this is what I thought I was gonna do today. Crackling Birch from Midwest Fragrance Company, one of my favorite, and Blazing Bonfire, which I absolutely love. I used to mix it with, last year I mixed it with Iced Vanilla Woods, both very lovely, like I can't even tell you, it's so yummy and delicious. But I'm gonna try this today, and I didn't even look to see if it was on the blending sheet. I just thought it would be a cool idea. And then I'm going to use Pixie Teal Blue, which, if you know, we offer Pixie Teal Blue on the website, which is just a beautiful color. Love it. I have to fill the container up. And I'm gonna put some Maya Gold in there and see what I come up with. And this is a work in progress, obviously. And I'll show you how I do it all. And this is my favorite way to do a gradient pour. So I have other tools and other supplies and things, and they never work out as well. This is, I don't even know, I got this. I thought I was gonna use it. I got it years ago. I think it's bamboo. And I got it at a garage sale for like, or maybe some other place, but it was like a couple dollars. I remember thinking, oh, I'll make that into a mold. And I never really used it into a mold, but it's perfect for this because this slides. I'm gonna put a towel here, and then it slides, and then when I'm done pouring, I can just set it up. And I don't know why, but that one's the one that I love. So I'll show you the rest in a sec. Okay. So I looked everywhere for these cards, and granted I just moved, but I remember seeing them just the other day. And these are my go-to cards that I use for keeping notes on all my soaps. So if I ever forget or don't know, I can go back by the date and find the soap that I made that has all my details on it and how I made it. Sometimes I'm not that organized, but I included these cards in my books because, my recipe books, because I don't know about you, but I make a lot of soap and then I forget and I need to know. And I got tired of not being able to organize my Post-its, and so I just use that. But I got this massive clip, so I won't be able to lose them. Well, I probably will, but anyway. And now I'm waiting for my oils to come to temperature, so.